I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the captive portal credentials. That matters because you will change portal settings. Once you have SSID and gateway IP, open a browser and log into the router at the gateway. Make sure to note the device MAC addresses you'll exempt. Now, access the captive portal or controller. Don't skip this. These first steps let you reach the specific settings that control sign-in enforcement. Once logged in, go to the guest network or captive portal section and find the enforcement option. You're looking to disable require sign-in or enable seamless access. If disabling globally isn't allowed, add device MACs to the whitelist or enable auto-login for known users. This bypasses the splash page. Make sure to save changes and apply configuration to all access points or the controller. If there's a voucher system, remove or adjust it so authentication is no longer required. Finally, verify by reconnecting a test device and opening a browser. Clear cache and old captive sessions so you aren't seeing cached redirects. If you still hit the sign-in page, confirm DHCP lease, gateway route, and DNS settings. Misrouted traffic often causes persistent redirects. Make sure the controller pushed the config to all APs, then reboot the access point and client. If problems continue, inspect captive portal logs for redirect rules. Correcting a stuck rule usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.